before
Andito
ba?
ba? Sorry. May I ask if Ogie Diaz is here?
Wala siya eh.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyways, kasi before Bobby, kasi kanina pa, kinukulit ako ng lahat. Actually, even before coming here, sobrang tuwang-tuwa kahapon. Hindi lang ng netizens, ang press, lahat yata ng mga Sharonian, mga fans niyo ni Gabby. Kasi kahapon po, syempre, alam naman natin lahat, nag-post si Shawi. Pinomote niya ang movie ni Casey na magkakaroon ng kasali sa Soho Film Festival, ang Asian Persuasion. Tapos sumagot doon si Casey na feel good ang lahat, ang saya-saya. Ako, naiyak ako. When nag-show tayo kahapon, di ba yun ang topic? Sabi niya, ba't ka naiyak? Siya, di ba nakaka-feel good after na mang-intriga yung iba, after binigyan ng ibang meaning yung mga sinabi ni Casey. Pero eto, hindi talaga, lagi naman kasi sinasabi nila Nancy, nanay yan, hindi niya matitiis. Hindi pwede magsalita si Sharon ng anything against Casey.
And I was very quiet, di ba? Kahit
So,
nagpa-interview
pero
siya.
yun nga, kahapon, ang gandang Shawi, ang daming natuwa. Oo.
Well, first of all, you know what, sa Bible nakalagay dapat una ang asawa. Pero even my husband knows, and naturally all my 4 children know, I am a mother first. I always say that. I am a mother first. Kasi, based on experience, ang asawa pwede mawala. Pero ang dugo at laman mo, bumaliktad man ang mundo, dugo at laman mo yan. Ano man, you know what, I don't play favorites. Some people seem to think favorite daughter ko, favorite na anak ko si Frankie. Hindi. I love all my children equally. It's just that, doon lang tayo sa totoo. Kung sino syempre yung lagi mong kasama, lagi mong katabi, meron ka lang mas nakakasundo. And among all my children, ang kaugali ko si Frankie. And Miguel is my buddy. Miguel is he's such a gentleman. Ang hindi ko nakikita si Casey. So, I will just say this. When she mentions na she's alone, I feel bad because it was her choice. When she left home at 18, kasi she went to school, syempre parang kano yung ano niya, yung hindi Filipino yung thinking. Hindi nga bagay yung ano ko dito dahil mukhang European, di ba? Pero, since she was 18, pinakita pa niya sa amin yung bibili niyang condo, kami ni Kiko. And hindi ko siya mapigilan because I also wanted her to fly, to learn how to live on her own. And from the time I raised her, when Gabby and I separated, she was 2.5. Until she was 18, ang katulong ko lang magpalaki dyan, mami ko o daddy ko. Pero never ako humingi kahit piso sa mga magulang ko because I wanted to set an example to Casey na ang babae, hindi mo kailangan ng lalaki para mabuhay. You have to work for your own savings and so that meron kang pagkukunan in case di ka makapag-asawa or in case sa kasawiang palad maging fate din niya yung nangyari sa amin ni Gabby. So, medyo being alone was her choice. Our house, our home has always included her. Kiko raised her since she was 9 years old. And they've been very close. Shock absorber niya yan, takbuhan niya yan, yan ang kanyang sounding board. Kahit minsan may tampuhan kami, si Kiko kausap niya. Yung pagka-unfollow, alam ko you're all curious about that. Ito na lang sasabihin ko. Like I said in my post, uulitin ko na lang kasi yun lang naman. Di ba sabi niya, hindi naman talaga kami perfect, hindi naman. Wala naman walang perfect. If I didn't have my parents and my brother and my best friends and people like Ate Baby in my life and Mama Mina, all those people that sincerely cared about me while I was growing up, especially in the business, I probably would have turned out to be a very horrible, arrogant person. Kasi impressionable ang bata akala mo yung fame, pinakamagaling ka na sa lahat. So, siguro nagkaroon lang ng konting, let's just say okay, first of all, among my children, Casey is the one that is the most let's just say she's the opposite of me. Ang lakas ng dugo ng papa niya. Kaya sila magkasundo, they're the same. For better or worse, they're the same. And sometimes, pag pinapaalalahanan ang isang tao ng amain, anak, kapatid, mommy, merong mga tao na ayaw nilang, I have to be careful. Ganun lang, pagtatampuhan. So, ganun lang yun. And it hurt me, syempre, nung may unfollow. Pero, pamilya kami. This is a family matter. And, she's close to her papa now, and that makes me happy because they lost so many years together. But I want to remind the whole world, all of you, that since Gabby and I separated, there was never, not once, never a time na hindi niya pwedeng puntahan yung anak niya. I never prevented them seeing each other. In fact, yung mga nakailang press cons na sa akin over the decades, I would always say, you know, I want them to have a relationship. Ayokong isipin ng anak ko kalahati niya masama. Diba yung ganun? Excuse me. So, marami na akong natiis. Marami akong pwedeng nagawa noon. Pero hindi ko ginawa because of Casey. Lahat ng desisyon ko sa buhay nung araw because of Casey. Because of Casey. She was my whole world. And I'm happy they're together now. But I hope that no one forgets, least of all Casey, all the sacrifices I made when I was raising her. Because it wasn't easy. I had her at 19 and I was practically still finding my way in the world as a new adult. And I had to raise her, and I made my work my therapy. That's why I became a workaholic. So, I have to trust in the way that I raised my daughter. That's all.
Yes.
And no, and since I'm a mother first, I love Casey very, very much. I would die for her, for Frankie, for Miguel and Miguel, if I had to. Silang apat lang ang papayag akong mamatay kesa sa kanila. Remember when she was small, sabi ko, kung merong, paglaki ni Casey, kung merong man dumating na panahon na yung nakalaan sa kanya mga problema, Ate P, baka naalala mo yun? Kung yung mga darating pag-adult na siya, sana sa akin na lang ibigay. Do you remember that? Kasi alam ko na yung strengths ko, alam ko yung capacity ko, kakayanin ko. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin niya. So, ayaw kong masaktan yung anak ko. Yun lang. But I'm happy they're close, but I love her very, very much from the bottom of my heart. And yung mga nagbabash sa amin na yung bang mga, siguro yung mga gusto maging nanay ni Casey o yung mga troll lang na walang magawa o fans ng iba o fans niya na hindi nakakaintindi, huwag kayong magdunong-dunungan kasi hindi kami yung pamilya. Ang showbiz, trabaho namin. Hindi kami showbiz na pamilya. Pag-uwi, we're very decent and private. And some things have to stay within the family. So, you cannot expect me na siraan ko ang anak ko.
Yes.
I will never do that. And ano man, lahat ng tao nagkakamali. As long as an apology is sincere and you take accountability for it, whatever it is, this is for all my children. I will always forgive and I will always embrace you with open arms. And nagpaalam siya sa akin kasi, Mama, I'm leaving for New York tonight. So there was a time nagkikita ko na lang nasan siya sa Instagram niya. So yung nagkaroon ng mga times na hindi siya nagko-communicate kasi siguro ganun talaga pag bata, may buhay kang sarili, minsan nalilimot mo. And nami-miss ko yun, syempre. And I will always remember what I taught her. And I am praying that she remembers everything she learned from me and my mom. Laking lola rin siya eh. Kailangan i-honor niya dahil ang nagpalaki sa akin, lola rin niya. So hindi pwedeng iba kami. Kasi pare-pareho ang palaki ko sa mga anak ko. And I wanna apologize to Kiko and the Pangilinan clan kasi nadawit yung dahil dun sa pagka-public ng pag-unfollow. It's really just a small thing that got a bit out of hand and it's a family matter. So whatever it is, I will always support my daughter. I will always love her. And I will always be her mom and tell her what she's doing right and tell her what she's doing wrong until she is 80 and I'm still alive. I'll always be her mom.
Yes, very well said, Shawi. Very touching.
Oji, para sorry, kala ko sana nandito ka. Promise ako, Oji, ako pero hindi naman. Yun lang naman ang sasabihin ko talaga.
Pero yan, nakaka-touch. Siyempre, sabi mo na aalis siya tonight for New York.
No, that was the other night. Oo.
Joke sana ako nagawa. Sige. Pero yan po, napakahaba na po ng sinabi ni Shawi.
Alam niyo
Wala
naman,
na
one
po.
question, 3 columns na yun, di ba?
So,
Ayoko kayo pinahihirapan din. Ayoko kayo pinahihirapan.
Wala na pong follow-up, okay? Medyo nakatitig po ang producer sa akin. Parang,
Hindi, okay lang.
Okay,
Hindi ko naman sasagutin ko kayo.
Pero yun nga, kasi nga curious kayo lahat, pumunta po kayo pagkalayo-layo mga lugar, dinayo nyo talaga
Diyos ko,
Okada.
I'm so thankful. Basta ano lang ang request ko kay Case, do not forget, anak, everything you learn from me, everything you learn from Mita and Tatay. Accountability, word of honor, honesty, loyalty, and we are your family. Your daddy and your siblings love you. I hope whatever it is fixed as soon as possible. That's all.
Yan. Thank you, Shawi. Yan. At syempre nakakatuwa nga, Shawi, nung nagsabi ako sa ABS-CBN, GMA7, TV5, even Viva, na press ko natin ngayon, nangako silang hindi tatapatan. Okay?
Thank you
Kaya,
so much.
nandito lahat ng mga imbitado.
Yan ang pruweba na may kapalit ang pagmamahal at loyalty ng isang artista sa kanyang pinagtatrabahuhan. Yes.
Ang bongga.
Casey, remember that too, anak. And Frankie and Miel and Miguel. If you want respect, you have to be respectful. It's earned. If you want to be trusted, you need to earn it. If you want to be respected, you have to earn it. Your word should be stronger than a written contract, a signed contract. I did movies with Viva for 15 years with no contract. There were times I would do my show every week for ABS-CBN with a delayed contract of many months because my word is my honor. That's what my father taught me. I want Casey to remember everything she's been taught. And family, anak, family is everything. And you are not alone. You have 2 families loving you.
Yes! At syempre yan po, maraming salamat sa pag-attend sa question. Joke lang.
Finish na yun.
3 hours po to, hanggang 5 p.m.
Mahal na mahal ko yung anak ko. Mahal na mahal ko lahat ng anak ko. Walang paborito. Meron lang mas katulad ko, mas malapit, tsaka mas nakakasama. I miss Casey. I miss her very much.
Thank you, Shawi.